have been lazy with my hair, I have to admit. Should I touch up my texturizer or should I color my texturizer? Let's see what I end up doing. I have been just wearing my hair slicked back because I have been wearing my hair slicked back because I've been working out. As you see, my hair, the color is basically off of it. It's like brown now. When I color my hair, I usually use a natural black. But I'm liking how it's lightening up on its own. You see that? It's like lightening up on its own, but at the same time, I just got touches of gray around here. So now that I see my hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this natural black. This is Beijing natural black. And I am just going to go over the areas that I feel like got a little gray on it, and which is just around the edges of my hair. Let me get some gloves. All right, guys, so I know what I am going to do. After combing out my hair, I'm loving how lighter my hair is looking. Usually my hair, I use a natural black, whether it's a box color or a rinse on my hair. I use a natural black. I'm trying to decide if I want to cut my hair, process my hair, texturize my hair, and cut my hair. So I'm not going to do the cut, and I'm not going to process it. I have been without a touch-up for like 5 months now. So this would be the ideal time to touch up my hair with a box color, since I have decided that I'm not going to touch it up. But I did not go buy a box color, so I am going to use this. I'm going to use this natural black semi-permanent hair color by Beijing. And this is in NB2. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'm just going to apply it around here. Okay, this is where the gray is. And this will help you decide on what you want to do with your hair. Okay, you're not forced to do anything. And when you're trying to make up your mind about what you want to do with your hair, do what's going to be best for you. So, like in the 3rd month, without touching up my hair, I was going to touch up my hair, and then I decided not to do it because I wanted to see what my hair products was going to do. So I was surprised at what my products did. My products brought my hair right back. So now, this will be like the 5th month. And I have some things that I need to do that involves my hair. And I need to see where I'm at with my hair. Now, I just put this on. You can apply Beijing on unwashed hair. Okay, guys? So this is just a rinse. This is not, anything that's going to take my hair out or anything. You see, I just shook up the bottle and applied it. And it is 10:45 right now. It's 10:45. And I am just going to let it sit for a little bit. And then when I come back, I'm going to rinse it off. So now what I'm about to do is rinse out the rinse that I put across my head. Okay, guys, so there it is. I only rinsed the front of my hair. And I did that for a couple of reasons. Just to get rid of the little gray that was right there, and to use up the product that I already had. Yeah, and just to use up the product I already had. And this is still like a full bottle, so I will be doing a lot of that. So we said we was going to leave this on for 15 minutes. It's 10:59 now. So I am going to get this set up to wash it out. So now I'm just going to get some shampoo and I am going to wash it. Now I know that I want to wash my hair at least a good 2 times because I want to get it extra clean, because that'll allow my products to work better on my hair to see if it's going to snap my hair back. I want the product to be able to get inside my hair strand and work on my natural, curls as well as my texturized curls. So I'm going to wash this out and I'm going to shampoo my hair twice. And then I am going to condition it. Okay, guys, I just washed out the shampoo, but I want to tell you something. This video is about texturizing, coloring, washing, and cutting. Now, if this is something that you're trying to decide what you should do with your hair, trust me, you can still texturize and color your hair, but it's the way that you color it. I wouldn't use a box color on my texturizer. If I'm going to texturize it and color it, I would use a rinse. That's the safest bet in my opinion, okay? That's the safest bet if you want to do that. And then let's say you want to texturize it, color it, and cut it. Well, if I were you, if I want to do all 3 of those things in one day, I would texturize it, then color it with a rinse, some type of rinse. And then after you texturize it and color it, then I would get it cut, because then you'll see the formations of your curls and how long it looks and everything. I wouldn't cut it first and then texturize it. I wouldn't do that. So this is nothing but conditioner. This is nothing but conditioner. I have been wearing my hair slicked back because I've been going to the gym every day. And like I said, I've been trying to let my hair grow out to do another big cut. But I had to come up out of that because I was getting, too used to and too lazy on that. So, it's up to you if you want to sit under a dryer or you just want to let this conditioner sit on your hair for a while. Me, I think I want to let it sit on here for a good, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, because I've been having my hair slicked back for a minute. So I'm just going to let this sit on there for 5 or 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, the conditioner is rinsed out. Okay, so now it's time for product. See how you can see my hair is brown and just the front of it is just a little black. And it's going to always look darker than what it's going to turn out to be. I'm going to put on my leave-in conditioner, which is a detangling conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and it's by Cream of Nature and it's coconut milk. Now guys, like I said, I've been growing my hair out, so my hair does not have a shape or anything, but I'm gonna make it look like it has a shape. In another one of my videos, I showed you how to shape your hair when you need a cut, when you need a taper or whatever, or you're trying to grow out your hair. I showed you how you could style your hair to make it look like it's shaped. So basically, my videos show you what you can do with your hair and techniques you can use on your hair until you make up your mind on what you want to do. When it comes to my hair, I ain't finna make myself do nothing. Okay, so now, like I said, all my products I love. So let me get my products out. Well, guys, if you know me, you know that this is one of my favorite products, Snapback Back Every Curl. This is one of my favorite products to use. And this right here, this is Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse for natural curls, coils, and waves. Yeah, those are my two favorites. So I am working with this new gel because it has coconut oil in it. So I'm working with this. And the other thing that I have started working with is the 3-row demi-cone. It has 3 rows in it. So let's start putting this on my head. First thing I do is I fix up my hairline. I don't know where I'm going with my style today, guys. I am just trying to fix my hair. So I'm going to do my little baby hairs and then I'll come back. Okay, my baby hairs are fixed. My hair has not been touched up in over 5 months, and I am going to go to the limit to see how far I can go without touching up my hair. And I believe that that has a lot to do with the products that I use.